Alright, Queens and Kings, welcome back to series part 4. Here I will be revamping my little ugly lampshades on my little beautiful lamps that I do have in my house. And I have 3 of them that I will be doing the same exact way. And this is the look that they're going to actually be once I'm all done and everything with them. So if you all would like to see how I create these glamorous, over-the-top, luxurious, beautiful lamps, shades, and give my lamps a facelift, please continue to watch. Hey Queens and Keys. Okay, so the reason you guys see me cut this part off, okay baby, this off, I'm just gonna go in section, and why I left this piece here where basically it overlapped the regular lampshade overlap, because I need something to support, because if I cut all of this off, if you cut all of this off, it's going to collapse. It's going to be harder for you trying to make the length or how far you want it to go down. Now, but what I would say, once I do get ready to start putting the tool on here, I'm going to lose this entire shape of, well, this length of this lampshade here. It's gonna probably draw up a little bit more and span out a little bit fatter. Okay, so basically I'm using the Dollar Tree tool as the beginning of it, because honestly this could just about wrap all the way around if you don't do it too tight. And then I'm gonna go back with the bigger roll of tool that I cut down into strips to fill it in to make it a little bit thicker. So what I do is I fold it like this, just to put a little thickness to it. And I will put the hot glue on the inside of the lampshade. Then I will fold it like this. Now, and I'm touching the glue as I'm doing it. And the reason I'm able to do that, you have to have a low temp glue gun. And then another tip is, don't use any like glue sticks that is foggy, like the Gorilla Glue sticks, because the fogginess of it, you will see it, or if it have a yellow tint to the glue sticks or whatever. So that's why I'm using these mini size, these little regular glue sticks here, because of the simple fact they are clear. Now I will just start the wrapping. keep cutting this and going around and wrapping the tool around, and I will be back. Okay, I don't need your help with me recording. Okay, so I have made it to the finish, well, made it to the end, close as I can. Like I said, most of the whole wrap will actually go around if you don't like, oh, double layer too much or whatever, but that's where my second one is gonna come in place at. And what I'm going to do is just place some hot glue and place it and glue it on top of, glue it on the glue. Place it on the glue like that. The same that I did at the beginning, and I will just cut off this excess, and then I will go ahead with the next pieces, the ones that I cut off as a script, and do the same thing. Fold them, place some glue down and over, and place the tool on top of it, bend it at the beginning like this, you know, make it a double layer, and place it on the glue like this. Spread it out, and like I said, have a low temperature hot glue gun. Do not do this with a very high, because it may burn through the tool and definitely burn your fingers. So yeah, and then I'll keep on wrapping it over and over and over, but I'm gonna cut this off once I get up to that stage like I did. Okay, so I want to show you guys the first layer of what I have done, and then I went and added some more of the scripts that I did cut off. Now you can keep doing this until you get the desired thickness that you want, or how thick you want it. I don't know, it's up to you, but I like the look of it with the light bulb. You can see the light bulb, and I'm also going to add some crystals in here as well. So I like this here, but I'm just going to add another width, another layer of the tool, because as you can see, this part here is just a little bit thinner. And then, like I was telling you guys, you can see as me wrapping the tool around it, it shrinkage a little bit more and make it more round up in this area here. And as this area here, you can see that I don't have much. So let me see, can you see that? Like up in here. Okay, so here's the tool, and this is basically the area where I'm gonna start wrapping. So each time you wrap, you can make it looser or you can make it tighter, but the more you tight, this is gonna shrink up like this. So this is what I do. Just take the tool. These are the pieces that I cut off the large piece of large piece of tool that I did have, and I had that from my wedding. So now here I will just take some glue on the inside of it. I'm gonna start here. From the inside here, I will just put some hot glue. Like I said, use the mild in a low temperature hot glue gun, because I'm going to press this down on the glue, and my finger is actually touching the glue. So, and that's why I say a low temperature hot glue gun, because you can actually touch it. Once the tool get on it, then touch it. Don't try to touch it once you place the glue on it, then touch it with your finger. You will burn yourself a little like that, but it won't be as bad as a high temperature glue gun. So I will just keep on going, and I will just keep wrapping this. In between, what I would do also, I would pull the shade like this, because see, this is the actually length that it would be. I mean, should be with the shade. This is how it would be with the shade. But now that I'm putting it to it, and I'm not putting too tight, it balls up and make it a round look, and it actually look like the lamp shades that I'm really inspired to do. Okay, so when I come to this area here, what I was explaining to you guys once before, when I come up to this area here, I will take some glue on the inside of it, put some glue, and then I will place the tool over the glue, and I will rub it across with my finger to make it as flat. With the extra that hang it off like that, I will cut it, just because I can't fold it and glue it up under. So I have some more, and I think I want to put some in this area here because it's look a little thin to me. And in between each time, I will pull like this. This is how I will pull it down. Okay, so I took the lampshade off to show you guys how loosened it would be without it sitting up on the stand that the lamp is made of. It would collapse. It will collapse if you sit it down, but by having the weight of it and hanging down, that's why your shape is able to come through still. Now, what I want to show you guys is the 4 areas where I'm going to basically hang my crystals. So I'm going to take a ring and I'm going to hook it onto one of these. Each one, that's where I'm going to place it. So therefore, the crystals hang down in the middle, in between each one of these here. If you guys can see that. I will hook a crystals on one of the hoops. So now that I have my crystals hanging on, with one hanging on one section, I will go under it and do it like this, because this is the look that I wanted it to go all the way around. Now, wherever I place the hoop at on the 4 rods, I will place some hot glue there just to keep that in place. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. All right, queens and kings, so basically here it is. Here are my lamps, and I say lamps because I did do, this is the floor lamp here, and I did the 2 side table lamps. I'll show you the other one behind me in a moment. So, but this is how they turn out, and I love the way that they turn out. But I'm gonna add another step to it, and that is placing some pendants. I'm gonna get some crystal pendants. Well, basically wait for them to come in the mail now, so therefore I can have those to hang down off of it like that, you know, give a little more extra glam to it. But I love the way that these came out, and I'm loving the shape that it have transformed to now. It have like the bigger round shade than the other narrow ones that I had on there, what it was before. But let me show you guys. Now you see all the lighting that it does give. And this is the other one. So I'm loving it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I love this area alone. I'm gonna show you guys the other one. So here is the 3rd one, and I'm loving it. I love it. I love it. Love all 3. All right, queens and kings, so that is pretty much it for this little revamp of my lampshades. I hope you guys love the way that they turn out now, which I do, could have given a more luxury, elegant look, over the top, glamorous, like and once I put those pendants on there, they're gonna even be more over the top. But you guys will see that whenever I do the reveal of the living room or whatever, because I'm still making some changes in all to the living room. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in series part 5. If you all are new to the castle, if you consider to be a part of the castle, please go ahead and hit your subscribe button, as well as turn on your notification bell, and for you all don't miss out on another video. Comment down below, share the video, thumbs it up, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.